Hi there and welcome back on a rainy Saturday morning. The weather forecast says it's gonna rain the entire weekend, so that's okay with me because I'm gonna stay inside. I'm gonna spackle the walls. Let's get started. Okay, same shot, different week. This is what the room looks like right now. I plasterboarded this wall as well for a second time, but I did it off camera because I thought it might become a little bit boring after time. So when you see me plasterboarding and plasterboarding and plasterboarding. So the entire room is already plasterboarded with a second layer. This thing here I still have to paint because I added it later on. This is exactly where the cables of the old breaker box were. And some of you wrote in the comments, hey André, could it be that you closed all the electric sockets or the connection points for the sockets with your second layer of plasterboard? And the answer to this question is yes, I did. But I did it on purpose because I thought it would be easier to just close it and drill new holes instead of trying to measure exactly where the old holes are. But as you know me, of course, I prepared a little bit because I did some, I don't know if you can see it, I made some marks here on the ground. So this is exactly the center point of each outlet. We have some marks over here and on this wall as well. Okay, a little fun fact, stupid me, I wrote on the wall exactly the measurements, especially the height of the connection points. And I wrote it on the first layer of the plasterboard, and the second layer is already on top of my notes. But I think it was 21 centimeters because I still need the height. I know the points now, but I don't know exactly the height, but I think it was 21 centimeters. So let's get started. More or less right on spot. That's great. Spot on. So now that everything is ready and installed, it's time for spackle. Okay, I know it's a little bit cheating because I said I'm gonna spackle today, and in the end it was Laszlo. But to be honest, he is much better in spackling as I am. So right now this dehumidifier is running so that everything will be dry in the end when we go and sand everything, and then there will be a second coat. Okay, a huge step forward this weekend. What do you think? Do we need a third coat or are you satisfied with your work?
I'm pretty satisfied, but we will see tomorrow whether we need a third coat or not. I don't know yet.
So if we need a third one, then you're going to see it next week, because we're going to say bye-bye now. And as always, stay safe and stay healthy.
Bye bye.